Okay, hello, welcome back again. So now you're seeing the schedule board. So this is used by dispatchers to assign a work. So you can see the work order here. So this will be, yeah, this will be for the schedulers who can pick up these work orders and assign to the relevant schedulers. So I can see here there are so many. Bookable resources here, so you can filter your resources based on the requirements. So you can add the filters, characters rating, for example. In this instance, just want to go ahead and see solar certification, for example. Yeah, and then should be excellent. Okay, and apply. um, and also the resource type for this particular pool. So based on the territories, so it says southeast, um, um, and the business units. So based on all the requirements, you can set the filters, and then um, your resources will get populated based on your requirements. So I'll just keep it simple for now. Let's go ahead and let's take out this filters. Okay, so I want to assign this work orders to myself, so I can show you uh, the Dynamics 365 field service app. So how the engineer will see these particular work orders when scheduler assign those. So and here you can see the map. On the map, you can see the job location. So if I want to go ahead and see this particular work order, you can see the job location here. So this job location is in, should be in Amersham. So you can see the work order, the job location, and also you can see the user location. So which is deriving from your bookable resources, longitude and latitude. So by this, you can assign your resources based on the shortest location of those work orders. For this instance, I just want to go ahead and assign the work. So you can drag work order and drop into Satya. Let's say this will be Wednesday. Just want to go ahead and drop this here. And you can see here the work order is now um, moved into progress. The work orders, sorry, the work orders do not move into progress until the booking is in progress. So you can see the status here, schedule. So now I'd like to navigate to Dynamics 365 Field Service app and see how um, the engineer view will pick up this job. Okay, so let me open the job. So okay, now I've switched to engineer view, so you can see all my bookings here. So once I open the job, this is the recent work order which has been scheduled. So you can see the resource, you can see the work order, and you can see the service account here. So if I go ahead and open this, I will see exactly what actions I need to do this in order to complete the task. So you can see the customer, So the customer address is in Amersham, and who's the service account, and what are the specific service stocks I need to create, and also what are the specific if there is a specific notes I have. So you can see the service task here. So to in order to perform the solar installation, I need to have this install mounting brackets, install solar panels, and connect inverter, test system. So these are all deriving from the instant type. So when the engineer completes the job, everything is captured, tasks, evidence, and time. The work order is will get completed. So let's um, let's say I'm traveling. So this is where when the engineer picks up the job and starts traveling from his home address to the service center, and then when he arrives, I'll just mark this as arrived, and this details will be captured back into the work orders. So scheduler can see exactly um, which engineer has started the work, and if it's been completed, or if it's still the job is in progress. So if I quickly jump back to the scheduler view. Right, okay, so open requirements. I can see the particular work order is being worked on. Okay, so it says arrived, and then if I go ahead and complete this job, everything is captured, tasks, evidence, and time. The work order will get completed, and that work order is ready for billing. So if I open this, uh, I picked up, yes, it's fine. Okay, this is completed. Install solar panel completed. Connected inverter system, test system, labor 8 hours, and if there is any particular notes you can add those notes or take a picture. If you use field service mobile app from the phone or a mobile application like an tab, you should be able to take pictures of that particular work order. For in this instance, you can write specific notes, or you can upload pictures. Completed, save, and you can get the signature from the customer. Confirm, and then it's completed and save. So if I switch back to the field service, You should be able to see that the job is completed on the schedule board. This is the resource requirement. So work orders can see the, yeah, it says you can see the status completed here. So at this point of time, the finance team will pick up this work orders and invoice the customer for the. Um, you can see the estimated cost. I mean, I know this is a little bit of overkill estimation, but yeah, this is how team will pick all the work orders and raise invoices to the customer. So this is the end to end. We start with the lead, qualify into an opportunity, create a work order, um, and define the work requirement and use the schedule board. So yeah, so good luck. And if you have any comments or any further help, please leave comments. So I should be able to get back to you with any um, answers you need. So thank you and all the best.